How to use internal links. Guide to boost SEO. Internal links play an essential role in creating an enhanced and understandable website structure. They improve the user experience, help search engines to understand the site's context, and increase page rankings. In this video, we'll explain what internal linking is, the types of internal links, how they work, and their benefits. Let's start with the basics. What are internal links? Internal links are the core of your website. They help search engines and users understand your site's structure, hierarchy, and relevance between pages. The more internal links you have pointing to a page, the more important it will seem to search engines. How do internal links work? Internal links navigate users and search engines from one page to another within the same domain. They use descriptive anchor text to demonstrate the relationship between these pages. Internal links create a consistent site structure. Without them, older content would be harder to discover. When search engines perform crawling and indexing, they start from the domain's homepage and follow the links to other pages. There are 5 types of internal links. Navigational links. They are made to navigate users throughout your website in a logical way and help them get from one page to another. Text links. These are clickable, descriptive texts and articles that usually link to another page with more in-depth information. They are also known as anchor texts. Contextual links. A text link within a paragraph in which a related idea or context is found. Image links. These links look like buttons, charts, and pictures that navigate the user to a related source. Footer links. These links are usually located at the bottom of the page and contain links to social media, contact forms, or similar. There are 5 key benefits of internal linking. First, easy navigation. Internal links navigate users and search engines through the site in a logical and understandable way. Second, increased page authority and link equity. Internal links pass the value and authority from one page to another, otherwise known as link equity or link juice. Third, improved page hierarchy. Internal links create a more distinct structure for your site. It helps search engines crawl through the website and understand the hierarchy of all pages. Fourth, enhanced indexation of the site. Thanks to internal links, search engines can index new pages faster as they'll understand the meaning and relevance between the pages. Fifth, better UX and engagement. If the site has a good structure, consistent navigation, and organized content, users will spend more time on it. How many internal links should be on a page? Search engine crawlers have a limit of 150 links per page. But you shouldn't overstuff your page with internal links, as this can damage your user experience. Internal links should only be added where they're relevant to the context. 5 to 10 links in a 2,000-word article is a good benchmark. It's also important to add internal links to new articles that link to older articles to improve their freshness. Internal links are the core of a good website and an effective SEO strategy. Make sure to incorporate the best internal linking practices mentioned in this video, and let us know in the comments if it worked for you.